People's Liberation Army, PLA, Air Force has equipped a second base force with the country's most advanced fighter jet, the J20, as the unit made its debut with the new warplanes in northeast China on Friday. Report footage shows that these J-20s are equipped with domestically developed engines, observers said. On Friday, the J-20s from the unit delivered an aerial performance together with other fighter jets including J-16s and J-10s during a PLA Air Force event celebrating the 100th anniversary of the founding of the CPC at the former site of the old Northeast China Aviation School, CCTV reported. This is the second ace force in the PLA Air Force that has been equipped with the country's most advanced fighter jet. In October 2019, the service announced that the J-20 was commissioned into the Wang Hai Air Group, a heroic combat force that has downed 59 enemy aircraft and named after Wang Hai, a flying ace in the Korean War. Advanced warplanes will be commissioned amongst more units in the PLA Air Force, as the service's development in the new era requires more heroic forces, Wang Mingji, a PLA Air Force military expert, was quoted as saying. Heroic forces must be vanguards and they should also be handed the best aircraft, Wang said. Observers pointed out that the J-20s featured in the report footages are seemingly equipped with domestically developed WS10 engines. More J-20s entering service with the PLA Air Force and their equipment of domestically developed engines indicate that the J-20 is becoming more and more technically mature and has started mass production, a military expert told the Global Times on Friday, requesting anonymity. More PLA units based in different locations across the country are expected to get more J-20s, significantly enhancing the PLA Air Force's capability of safeguarding the motherland's sovereignty, airspace and development interests, the expert said.